It's May 23rd. We're doing a quail project for 2018. Starting on edge feathering. This is going to help out the quail, rabbits, all small game like that. So stick with us.
Whatever you want to do.
We're in good shape now. Look at that. Okay, yesterday we got all that kind of stuff done. All that good soft edging, as they call it. What we do is we're edge feathering to create a soft edge gradient between field and woods. It's just better small game habitat. And so now that we've provided the cover for them, now we got to provide some better habitat and some structure in the center of the field. And so what we're doing now is we've already mowed it, already got it down. We're going to disc this in, this should all kill it. And we're going to put some brush piles out here, and then we'll get the surrogator out probably today and set it up, and then fill up with the birds tomorrow because the birds are coming in tomorrow. So stick with us, we still got stuff coming. So we just about got everything in place. We got a bunch of these cedars here. We got the surrogator all set up, and we got our baby chicks. We're gonna do a little bit of more cedar stuff, and then we're gonna do a food plot over there. It's already, it's about ready to be disked, and then we're gonna put that in later stuff, but let's get these guys in there.
Go ahead and stir them.
I'm just gonna put them in there. Come on, little guys. Well, they're kind of warm. Well, it's been a few days since the start of this whole thing, probably 4 or 5, and habitat's looking good. We're putting in the last of the cedars tomorrow. The surrogator's in there. They're doing really well. We haven't had any mortalities yet, which is fantastic. You're supposed to have at least a few the first time you put them in, and we've still had none. So we're just going to let them be for a week. We'll check them, remove any dead, give you guys an update. So stick with us. Next episode soon.